Hola.
Hola. Guess where our
On
new
screen.
guess where our new office is? At the beach.
Is
I told Marie a bednight story a couple of days ago about a monkey and a pig traveling on their movable island, which is our kayaks. The monkey and the pig, they ended up on an island together, moving along, eating. What did we eat? Banana.
banana.
And what did we eat on the kayak?
Banana. And because just to give a behind story is that he's in a Chinese zodiac. He's a
Water monkey.
water monkey and a wooden pig. So this is why monkey and the pig. And I told him to tell me fairy tale when we were falling asleep, and he told me a story about monkey and the pig. And then we actually ended up as in the story on the island eating
Yes.
the bananas.
And moving in between
Yes,
islands.
super funny.
Super cool. We're very curious for the studio ideas that you have shared so far. I'm looking forward to hear more ideas where we should hang out.
Exactly.
So, what's the coolest you've seen so far on our trip?
I mean, the kayak is I never kayaked before, so for me, the realization that I can kayak is quite interesting, especially that the person who is captain should sit in the front and the engine and the strongest one should be in the back.
And the
So,
heaviest.
and the heaviest, I didn't want to say that, but he was my engine, I was his captain, and we were the fastest.
And I mean, we don't want to make a competition out of things, but we were the fastest.